Hello, precious people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard. I am the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics, and this here is Yogi Gerard. He saw my phone and he was like, okay, it's my moment. Oh, you little clout chaser. I love him so much. Anyway, I digress. This channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you're supporting two fantastic charities in my area. The first is the domestic violence program at the Child and Family Center, and the other is Rescues on the Runway, which is an awesome dog rescue. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Click that little subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll know anytime Yogi and I upload a new video. Very, very excited that I actually got to give the charities a real payment yesterday because I got a real check from YouTube. I had a video that did very well, and so I'm excited. I feel like we've got a little momentum here, and I'm just super excited for where we can take this and what we can do for the dogs. So I thought, people have asked me so much, like, as the CEO of a company, what are your favorite products? And I'm not gonna lie, to some degree, that question is kind of like, which one of your kids don't you love anymore? But with that said, I have a lot of favorite products, and so I tried to pick out just 10 that I could show you, because I know shopping holidays are around the corner. People are like, well, what's really good, what's not, and I'm going to give these to you in no particular order, but these are my top 10 Gerard Cosmetics favorites. So you guys know BB Plus Illumination. This is a liquid cream highlight that I like to use it as primer. So this is the shade Grace. I also love the shade Sophia, which is a true gold, but you can just see it gives your face just this beautiful sheen. And I think especially for those of us ladies who are a little more seasoned, applying this as primer under your foundation will just give your skin a very healthy glow, because as we age, our skin starts to look tired and worn out. So this is the secret to a healthy glow. You could also mix it with a little bit of a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer on the no makeup days. You know, when you're headed to Pilates class or the gym or whatever, you can use it as a liquid highlight. You could use it as a body highlight. I mean, there's just so many different ways to use it, but I love this the most. This one, actually, when we created this product, my staff was like, yeah, Jen, I don't think people are gonna like that. I'm like, well, too bad, I like it. So that's this. This is an old favorite, the Brow Bar To Go. I think this might have been the first makeup product. It is the first makeup product we ever created. And lately, I have used the original blonde to medium up until about the last 6 months. And now I've been using the medium to ebony, and you can tell that I use this. The wax is very worked over. I love this product. I think the powders allow you to fill in your brows in a natural way where they don't look drawn on, and the wax helps you set them in place so that they don't disappear if you accidentally touch your face. That's like the worst. Right? You're out in public, you touch your face and half your eyebrow disappears. So this is one of my perennial favorites. Another of my perennial favorites is the Mistified. This is a hydrating mist. I use this morning and night, and I also use it under my makeup. I use it on my body as well. I love to spray this on my body when I get out of the shower and then put lotion on. I feel like it really traps in the moisture and helps keep my skin from getting dry, especially this time of year when it's windy and cold here in California. Cold being 70 degrees, but still. But I do love this, and it is amazing for like spraying your blenders and stuff with when you're applying your foundation. It just makes your foundation stick like glue. So this I love. Of course, the Slay All Day setting sprays. These are my two favorites. So Cucumber has been my favorite from the very beginning. It's just very fresh. It's very cool. It's very, I don't know, it's like a happy drug. So I love this one. And then of course the Dreamsicle, which is in collaboration with Rich Luxe. I love this too. I love Rich Lux, but even more, this reminds me of being a kid and having a 50-50 bar, we used to call them. So those are some favorites there. In the lipsticks, the bullet lipsticks, there's the old, you can never go wrong with 1995. That's this color right here. I always say that this is a magic lipstick, and we also do make it in the liquid form in the Hydro Mats. I always say that this is a magic lipstick because I feel like it looks perfect on every single person, but it looks different on every single person. So if you need a good gift, this is a perfect one. It will look great on anybody you give it to, any kind of skin tone. Like I said, perfect on every person, different on every person. I love, love, love this one. Another one of the favorites that I've been wearing the most often lately is Kimchi Doll. And this is a very, very pale light nude. I like to wear this just in the center of my lips. I'll wear it over a liquid lipstick, over a bullet lipstick, even over just a pencil. I feel like it just gives you that little extra pop that makes your lips look more fuller, and who doesn't want that? So I could swatch this one for you too, although I will say mine is very well loved, and because I use it over other lipsticks, the color might not be so true, but you can see it's very, 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 very fair, very pale. Okay. This product right here is our Color Your Smile lip gloss, and I have to say, like, the nude color is my absolute favorite. It's a lot like 1995. It looks great on every kind of skin tone. It's just beautiful. I don't know how else to say it. It's kind of a peachy nude. It just seems to look perfect on everyone. So this one has been a favorite of mine for a long, long, long time. Always in my purse, always, always, always. In lip pencils, I have recently become enamored with Bel Air, and you can see I've worked this pencil down quite a bit over the last few weeks. I've been using this a lot. It is a pinky nude, but just goes well. You can just put a little twinge of pink to a brown nude lipstick, or you know, wear it with pretty much anything. It's amazing. And then this one here is the nude, which very much matches the gloss. I would say it's just a hair deeper than the gloss, because if you want to have you know, a liner and a gloss in the same shade, you want the liner to be just a little bit deeper, and then the gloss to be a little bit lighter. So definitely more favorites. This Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm. This has been out about 1.5 years. I've been using it, different versions of it, for about 2.5 years. I have to say, this product not only removes every stitch of your makeup, but it leaves your skin feeling like silk. And I have dry skin. I have to say, this product has changed the condition of my skin. It has a coconut oil base. It feels very luxurious on the skin, and you just rub and it just takes your makeup right off. I just love it. It comes in lavender, peach, and rose. I tend to go for the lavender just because I tend to take my makeup off at night, and lavender is supposed to calm you and help you sleep. So, you know, it's not like I don't have my cuddle bear to keep me company, but who wouldn't want a little extra peace and quiet, calm at nighttime? And then in our Hydro Matte liquid lipsticks, these are a few of my favorites. And I'm sorry that I'm so boring color-wise and I wear so many nudes. I really apologize for that. But I wanted to, like, just really be honest. I had to sit and really pare down the list. So I went top 10 products, but I did pick a couple of shades in the products. This one here is called Bare It All, and it is a beautiful, just medium nude. I would say it's more of a brownie nude. Very, 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 very pretty. Mile High is one I've been wearing the most lately. It's a little more to the kind of mauvey pinky nude. And this one right here is my jam. It's called Invasion, and it's kind of a grayish, purplish, brownish. I don't know. I just love it. I think it's so different. And it really looks amazing on so many different kinds of people in so many different skin tones. So Invasion is a sleeper. If you don't know about Invasion, if you haven't tried it, you definitely need to try that one. I also chose a couple of our face palettes. So if you guys watch me a lot, you know I use this every day. This is our Starstruck. So the Starlit palettes are these little mini palettes that you can travel with. They're very lightweight. They fit in your bag very easily. But you can see I use Lucy and Marilyn every day. And I've started using Grace more and more. I do love the Grace. It's more of like a champagne-y gold where Marilyn's a yellow gold and Lucy, of course, is a rosy gold. And then this here is the honeymoon version of the Starlit palette. And I use this every day as well. So we have the Forever bronzer. It's a great bronzer. Fits a lot of skin tones, very natural. And then there's two blushes here, First Class and Wifed Up. I actually use both blushes. I mix them together and I use them every single day. I thought while I'm at it, I'll show you guys something new that's going to be coming very soon. This is going to be the Sunset and Vine version of the Starlit palette, and it is aimed at our deeper skin beauties. So we have a nice deep bronzer and two highlights. It is Dorothy and Lucy. So if you've used our highlights before and you love Dorothy and Lucy, there is also an addition of a brand new, the bronzer is called Timeless, and it is perfect for deep skin tones. So that's pretty much it. I think I did pretty good. Even just picking 10. Even just picking 10 was quite the struggle. But I don't know about you guys. I have my Black Friday list like all laid out. I know what I'm going to get and from where, and I'm so excited. And I'm sure more things will pop up as, you know, my email box gets full. But I don't know. I think it's just a fun shopping holiday. I usually wake up Thanksgiving morning, do all my Black Friday shopping, and yeah, by 10, 11 o'clock on Thanksgiving, I already have everything ordered, and then it's just exciting waiting for it all to come. So I'm just very excited for the holiday, and I wanted to do this for you guys because so many people have asked what my favorite products are, and it's probably, other than how I started the company, I would say it's the question that I get the most often. And I do intend, just to keep you guys all up to date, I do intend to do Vlogmas. Now, it's a very busy time of year for us, and I don't want to say 100% that I'm going to get a video up for you every day in the month of December, but I am going to do my very, very best to get you some content every single day. If we have to do a live here and a live there to fill in, we will, but I'm going to do my very best to get you guys content every single day. And how I started the company will be one of those videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, and you know, just sign up for notifications. So, and if you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. And don't forget to like and share the video. And yeah, if you ring the bell, you'll know anytime Yogi and I upload a new video. So it is so windy here in California. I got somewhere to go today. But I wanted to make this video for you guys. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has an awesome day. And if you live here in the States, I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving. And let's all just remember all the things that we have to be thankful for. There's so much in life that we're blessed with. And we just need to remember that every single day and try to keep our joy about us. So with that said, everybody have an awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.